Overall, I think from an electrician's perspective, owner's perspective, and everybody else's perspective there, just to kind of look at these assemblies and say, is it worthwhile investing the time before these assemblies are executed? Is it worthwhile to do that? Is there efficiency? Is there savings in potential labor? Is it safer? Is it better for the job site? And we've continued to look at that.
The substation relocation project was the first large prefab conduit assembly that I was involved in. There was a set of interior conduits that we prefabbed, and there was also a set of exterior conduits that we prefabbed, which were quite sizable and heavy.
You know, I wasn't really sure how it was going to work out. It was, you know, I'm used to building it stick by stick, so to really come up with this plan and have the CAD department, they did a great job designing it, and between them, the prefab team, it was a big accomplishment. Initially, I thought there was going to be some troublesome things with, you know, the size of these modules we had to build. These things were huge and a lot of weight, a small window to fit these things in, so it was a lot of coordination.
For years, we've been watching the tin knockers, the pipe fitters, the plumbers. All their work would be fabricated and shipped to site. As an electrician, you might do some small fabrication on site, but to think about building numerous 40-foot, 4-inch conduit assemblies and to see that come to tuition and to be assembled is, you know, it's pretty phenomenal.
Well, personally, my first thoughts that I thought it'd be more work for me. I'm a very busy guy. I have a lot of work to do, on the projects, different projects. And I just thought it would take more of my time away from what I need to do. As the process went on, I realized that it wasn't much of a burden on me, where I have confidence in my team members, my foremans, and also with the prefab team working together, come up with a design and concept.
The installation behind me is a power distribution system to 2 new electrical rooms located on the opposite end of the building. What's behind us here is a complement to what we have going on over in Stoughton, Mass. with the prefab shop. We've put up a half a mile of 4-inch rigid. It would have taken, I can only imagine, 3 weeks to a month to do. We did it in 2 days with the help of the riggers, the cranes, and obviously the help of the prefab shop that built these 40-foot modular sections. Obviously these pieces, they weighed anywhere from 8,000 pounds to 4,000 pounds, so trying to be efficient at what we did, and I think we accomplished that.
The interaction with the foreman has definitely changed over the years of me making these conduit assemblies. Definitely have to look at how they are going to install this, if they have room to install this. We look into conduit spacing and hanger spacing, making sure that it's going to work with all the obstacles we have with other trades, and also the architectural and structural elements of the project as well.
We had a challenge to think about the weather for this assembly. Cold weather, snow, if the guys working on the roof, stick building this whole pipe run, there's slipping and falling, there's a lot of hand attachment of conduits, and the ability to use a prefabricated assembly like this cut down on a tremendous amount of time to connect all the conduits and to attach them from point A to point B.
It's very beneficial for us to continue along this path, to continue to do prefabrication, conduit assemblies, as well as other prefab assemblies there. So we found, and we're working to continually prove it makes sense.